Now it's done. See it?
Wow.
Wow. Oh, smells so cool. Hello everyone.
Everybody,
I am Sakpi.
I'm Zayun.
Alright, today we have a new video and I'm gonna share you how to cook like a local food. But I'm not really sure yet what kind of the food I'm gonna cook today. So Zayun, what you wanna eat for your lunch today?
I think today I want to eat a food, but
I know food, but what kind of the food that you want to eat?
here's the food I want to eat. I want to tell you.
All right.
Yeah, that kinds of the local one. And but I want to ask everything. Do you have here?
Actually, I had some meat like chicken, so I feel I want to cook like a stir fry spicy chicken. What do you think?
That one with the basil.
Oh yeah, exactly. Yeah, has some basil and also like spicy chili. Well, I feel like I want to eat that food.
So far, I have never had.
All right.
Oh, right.
Okay, so then I'm gonna cook that food for you. All right. So we're gonna eat stir fry spicy chicken for our lunch today, right?
Why not?
I already had everything, even like ingredient, even like vegetable and meat in my freezer. So we don't need to go to the market, right?
Okay, good.
Okay.
Here.
We can start right now, right? So we're gonna go collect it, all of the vegetable and the ingredient and what that we need to do. We're gonna go and do it, right?
Today,
Okay.
I think
Follow us to see what we're gonna do it today. All right. All right. Let's go.
Yes.
Okay. So right now, I already prepared everything. Okay. What I want to show you right now, Zayun, what did I had? I already had like chicken meat. See that the fresh chicken meat. And what type of the ingredient that we're gonna cook? A chicken, stir fried chicken, spicy. We're gonna have all of these ingredients, right? This like in the oil cook.
Yeah.
I'm not use salt. I'm gonna use like fish sauce, right? That the fish sauce, and also like in the oyster sauce.
Yeah.
See it?
Yeah.
Right? And sugar. This is chicken powder,
Nice.
right? And this is sesame, just a little bit, that more taste, right? Beside of the ingredient and meat, vegetable that we're gonna have, see that right here? Not that hard to find out. All of these are the leafy leaf, right? And these lemongrass, these chili, the spicy chili, and these what?
Galanga.
That's a galanga,
Yeah, it's a
right?
nice
It's a
one.
galanga. Nice, right?
Oh, yeah.
Okay, so one leafy leaf, 2 lemongrass, 3 galanga, and 4 spicy chili.
Wow. Looks so
And the last
nice.
one that make it food some more taste and more smell.
Yeah.
What's that?
Can I guess? I
What's
think you know it.
I know it. I'm not really sure.
But this should be called basil.
Basil.
Yeah.
Right? That is a basil.
Yeah. This smell.
Oh, smell is so good.
And stem
Right.
also. This part of the stem here we can also use.
Oh, okay. All right. Oh, a little flower right here still.
Yeah. Oh, nice.
Ah. Oh, smells so good.
Yes.
I think.
Part we can
Okay.
use
So
it.
right now we start to cook because we had everything on our table. So we're gonna go to the kitchen
Right.
and we're gonna cook all together.
Here we
Right?
go.
Let's go.
Mm.
Okay, so right now we all done this, right?
Right.
After that, we're gonna go and cook, right? If you want to cook any food, comment under our video. We will cook for you, all right? Okay, now let's go and cook.
Right.
Go. We're gonna be warming up right here, warm like the plate, and the first, after the plate getting warm, we're gonna put like
Olive.
oil cooking, right? Okay, we're gonna put the oil cooking right here. Next is
Okay.
this is garlic.
Yeah.
Right?
That put it first.
Yeah, garlic.
Garlic and in the
Then we're gonna put chicken.
chicken.
Chicken meat.
It
Okay, so next one we're gonna put our oyster sauce.
oyster sauce.
And after that we put all this in. Now it's done. See it?
Wow.
Oh, smell is so cool. We're gonna go and taste together. You guys wanna taste?
Yeah, please read it.
If you wanna taste, let's go. All right, let's go.
Wow.
We're gonna have our lunch. We cook only one food for our lunch for 4 people. All right, so right now we're gonna try to taste our food, right? See it?
Mm.
That's really cool.
I like spicy.
But not too spicy.
Yeah.
Okay, so our video is end right now. So if you guys want to learn how to cook all of these food, right, please comment under our video, and you don't forget to subscribe on my channel. Click on the bell. You will see first video from all of us, right? Next video we will make another food. All right, thank you for watching our video. Bye bye.